Good afternoon, my name is Raul Trevino and this is my informative presentation. Have you ever wondered what's behind the scenes of the world's most used searching engine named Google? Do you imagine what would that be? How would that work? Or even more impressive, how is that done? At a hardware design position, the duty is to create the entire infrastructure that makes possible all the work done by Google. Google is the 10th largest corporation in the world according to the S&P 500 index. In average, Google is acquiring 2 existing companies a month since 2010. On Fortune's magazine list of the best companies to work for, Google ranked first in 2007, 2008, and 2012. Its relevance in the economy is tremendous. The well and smooth functioning of the company is almost crucial for the economy and for our daily lives. Almost all of us use Google search engine every day, or YouTube, which is a company that is owned by Google. For it to be possible, many engineers have to create and design the hardware and infrastructure for the company. I have done extensive research on the hardware design engineer position at Google. The hardware design engineer position is the backbone of the company. It creates all the physical components needed for the running of such an important company for the economy and in our daily day-to-day life. Google is the 10th largest company in the world according to the S&P 500 index. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University. Its mission statement is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. The unofficial slogan of Google is "Do not be evil." Page and Brin incorporated Google as a privately held company on September 4, 1998. That means the date of foundation of the company. An initial public offering followed on August 19, 2004. Together, Page and Brin own about 14% of the shares of Google and control 56% of the stockholder voting power through super voting stock. In August 2015, Google announced plans to reorganize its interest as a holding company called Alphabet Inc. Now that we have learned a little bit of Google's history, let's understand the hardware designer engineer position. Hardware design engineers are responsible for creating the physical components needed by the corporation. According to Google's description of the job, as a hardware engineer, you design and build the systems that are the heart of the world's largest and most powerful computer infrastructure. You develop from the lowest levels of circuit design to large system design and see those systems all the way through the high volume manufacturing. As a radio frequency microwave hardware designer engineer, you will join our radio frequency and communication team building various radio systems and products. As an engineer of such team, you will be directly involved in defining overall product architecture and design board. This Google team works to make internet access more powerful, accessible, and affordable for all. Now that we have learned about the duties responsibilities of such position, let's review the various benefits acquired by working for Google. Working at Google offers impressive benefits for the employee and his/her family. New dads receive 6 weeks of paid leave, and moms can take up to 18 weeks and they continue to receive bonuses while they are on the leave. If an employee passes away while working there, all their stock vests immediately, and on top of that, life insurance payout. The surviving spouse continues to get half of the husband's salary for the next 10 years. Plus, there's an additional $10,000 per month for every child the employee had, and they receive that money until they turn 19 or continue studying. Employees are extremely well fed. getting healthy and varied breakfast, lunch, and even dinner if they're still late for free. There are also coffee and juice bars scattered throughout the campuses. Even with all the benefits and perks at the Google, work can be stressful. Fortunately for Google employees, they can take advantage of a subsidized massage program. For a small fee, the employee can receive a massage from a licensed therapist in a private room. In conclusion, we have reviewed Google as an organization, the hardware design engineer position, and the many benefits of working in such an important position. The next time you use Google to search for something in the internet or watch a video in YouTube, be aware that all of that is only possible due to the engineers that design and create Google hardware. For your time, thank you.